guys.
Ladies, dancers, ayan. Una, magsuman naman ito naman. Ay, wala ko mag-uwi sa ikiki ng tao in the future right after completing your bachelor's lang na kay Bali ID. Anak. Hindi ko dito, alam ang purchase yung mga tinaguan. Pero guys, here's the catch. Watching the news every day.
So, malalamig exam. I quiz the I. First quiz. For today's CSA. Video may roll for our CSA. Ali! And ako sorry may dilig mo makamaming portion. Kailangan magkaming portion.
Sir, wala.
Ano ba kayo sa ikiti tayo? Guys, wait lang, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday.
So guys, we're having our 15 minutes break. Nakacho! Asa si Maricho? Buta sa siya. Yes. Wala na po. Ano to?
Oh, giliw ko. Ay, ano lang, giliw. Giliw, wag mo sanang isipin. Huwag tayo hanggang dulo. Kapit lang ng mahigpit, aabutin natin ang mga. LBT na, inshallah by God's grace. LBT na, LBT na, LBT na, LBT na, by God's grace.
Yun guys, tapos na ang aming morning session. So na pa may afternoon session and balikin for the afternoon session. Asa tayo? Tingnan ng walang hanggan. And then may chicken and rice, lunch. It's lunchtime. Tapos na ang akin. I forgot to take a beer. And wala sila suka sa side. Isapot pa bago makakaon. Kami kayo pakon. Kung saan ang liog? Liog na lang. Tapioca. Yum yum. So guys, today, at this moment, it's our second set. So this is the afternoon session for our CSA. Anong masasabi mo? Jenny, ang kayo-kayong
Something is wrong. Huwag mo nagpunta guys. Ay, after naman ano? Yung galing nag-vagina, pila, pinis, ngunit, ayaw ka tao. Hindi mo ngunit kasi ng Bisaya. Pero rin,
Please.
again, what does the term sex refer to? For men, C, the biological and physiological gender identity. B, sexual orientation. C, logical sex. Again, which concept equals identifies she feels comfortable with sex and gender she was born. For that, Alex feels that neither the label and nor word fluid identity. How would Alex most likely identify? A, cisgender. Last two items. To transition socially and possibly medically. How would Sam most likely gender queer? B, transgender man. The verb, but has always identified and lived as the male. How would Sam most likely identify? A, gender.
So guys, gikan mi og hola. We are now on our way to go home. Part ways na mi guys. Siya pa katalunan ni pabunawan. Yay!